Good morning, everyone. This is Jessica Zielinski. Here's my presentation on assessing prior knowledge. A couple big things I do as far as assessing prior knowledge before starting the novel. One, I look at that novel. What are some big what is it going to be about? What kind of questions can I ask them regarding that material? Sometimes I might have them draw it out. Sometimes I might have them think about it, then find a partner, discuss. A lot of times with that partner, I might have them keep rotating. My students have a partner. I give them a map of either Central or South America, and then they have a partner for each country. So I might tell them, get up, find your partner for Costa Rica. Now find your partner for Guatemala, and that way they can kind of rotate around as well. Thinking about a novel, we want students to know about 85 to 90% of the words. The point of the novel is not to learn lots and lots of vocab. Just like in English, I'm not going to pick up a novel or book that I'm going to have to look at a dictionary for what all these words mean. It's meant for enjoyment, to work on the words that you know, and see them more often. So a lot of times I take a passage from the novel, just like this example below, and I tell them, highlight the words you know. So looking at this, now I might not be able to take every word. It might be by chapter 2. I might look at the words they don't know and then do some more personalized questions. So an example follows here. Desayuno, breakfast. So this is similar to what I might have students do now, knowing that they don't know this word. What do you eat for breakfast? Give them their structure there. I eat blank for breakfast. I might switch up that sentence. What do you eat on Saturdays and Sundays? Maybe you have more time. I'll usually add maybe other tenses. What does another classmate eat? What did you eat when you were a child? Now you're changing up tense as well. So this is kind of similar of how I would take what they don't know and then work on those terms. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.